Hello from Myrtle Beach. We're at the Hangout, which is a brand new dining and entertainment complex here in Myrtle Beach at Broadway at the beach. We're going to take you and show you everything it has to offer, and big news, it is open now. It's soft opened, so it's not 100% done, as you can see, and we'll come back outside and check out the outside part. But the inside is open and the bar and restaurant is open, which is pretty exciting. We'll step right inside here. They have really cool decor everywhere. It's really a great looking place. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun for everyone. They have this great art installation here where you check in to eat. And then this is the main dining area, and it is massive. They've got 2 stories, tons and tons of tables. They've got these big garage doors that they can open for the windows. Really cool lunchbox, retro lunchboxes around. They've got this huge bar along with the big TVs. I love these massive fans, the lights. This looks really great. There is an upstairs bar. I'll show it to you from the outside. And then let's go take a look at the outdoor seating from inside, but I'll also show it to you from the outside as well, so stay tuned for that. Here we go. So you can look out over Broadway, and some of it is covered, some of the seating, and some of it's not. Let's go back outside where we can see a few more things, and I'll also give you a quick peek at the gift shop. They have a pretty large gift shop over here. And also stay tuned, we will show you the menu and what that looks like. They have a lot of different options, a lot of options for everyone in your group. So here is the gift shop, lots of t-shirts. And they sort of have an eclectic mix of items, all different kinds of things in the gift shop. And I like these things that are hanging from the ceiling, those are cool. We've got hats, we've got socks, all kinds of stuff, and a magnet. Well, let's take a look outside at the menu. They were kind enough to give me a paper menu. Brian's gonna do Vanna White here and hold it, it's really breezy. So here you can pause it at any point if you want to get a better look. They do have vegetarian and gluten-free options. There's the indicators for that. Let's check the other side out.
Cocktails.
Signature cocktails, everyone's favorite. Frozen drinks. Looks good. We've already seen quite a few things that we would like on that menu. So let's go check out the construction. So like I said, they have done a soft opening. The restaurant is open, the bar is open, but the amphitheater obviously is not open yet. So they are gonna have live entertainment here at the amphitheater. And I assume this will be like concessions or a bar. Not really sure what that is yet. But the amphitheater is gonna be pretty big. I mean, this is a pretty good size. They have the cute little rainbows over there, love that. Then let's take a look at the outdoor seating. They've got so much outdoor seating, and there is that bar I told you about that is on the second floor, second story. And it's covered, which is nice. So like I said, you've got your covered seating. You've also got outdoor seating out here on the deck. And you've got some great views of Broadway, the lake, of all of Broadway, really. There's some people eating right over there, so definitely really great outdoor seating. And let's walk over and take a look at the Key West shops, which it looks like they're getting close to completion on those as well. So let's take a look at those. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like. We really appreciate that. And if you're new to our channel, we cover everything Myrtle Beach, so if you don't want to miss anything, hit that subscribe button. That would be great. So the Key West shops are these pale pastel colored shops, and I can actually, it's so windy, I can feel the sprinklers that are going on over there all the way over here. And these spiky things up here are really cool light features. At night they look really neat. They have LED lights that change colors, and they've done a beautiful job with the landscaping here. You can kind of look down that direction. Just really stunning landscaping. A lot of benches over here, which is nice. So here's what the Key West shops look like. That one's 2-story, most of them are 1-story. And what's interesting, if you like a little history, these buildings used to exist. Of course, they've modified them when it was Pavilion East. which was the ride section. There was like an arcade and bumper cars inside, and they did preserve the original carousel over there, so we were happy to see that, and they have been working on it, so they're definitely keeping that. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to watch the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.